In this video, we will show you how to set up a bilge pump with a float switch in the VeeConnect system. In this example, we will be setting it up on the bottom left switch. You can turn on and off your bilge pump, and then automatic float switch turns on and off the pump. First, you go into the Config menu, insert your PIN number, then go to Channel Config Settings, select the switch you want to modify, in this case the pump switch. Of course, you can rename the switch as needed. Set the current rating for the proper trip current based on the pump manufacturer's guidelines. You can set the power-up state to be in the last state it was in, off, or on when powered on. In this case, we will set it to off. You can set the switch type to be latching, momentary, etc. Set to single latching in this case. You can select the color of the switch. In this case, we will set it for green. It is controlled by a CAN coming in over the NEMA 2000 CAN network. Now we slide to the bottom and make sure the soft start is set on when using a motor. That makes sure that when you have an initial surge of current to the motor when it is turned on, that it does not trip the circuit breaker. And because we have an automatic float switch attached, it can backfeed current into the system, so we want to make sure that Allow Backfeed is turned on. Then, if you want to do automatic timing sequence for the bilge pump or live well pump or similar, you can turn on the program sequence and then set minutes and seconds you want the device to be on and the minutes and seconds you want it to be off. In this case, we're going to turn it off. Now we're done, and you can X out to the main switch screen. The pump is now ready to go by turning on and off, and when the float switch activates, it will run the bilge pump and not damage the VeeConnect.